We invest in the best equipment to make the best product.
Customers typically buy from us because we're able to provide a high-quality valve, offer customization, and a reasonable price.
The best thing that we hear from the customers is it's the best valve out there. Everything's machined in-house. Everybody's extremely good at what they do in their departments, and that's what makes it happen. You got a good bunch of people who really care about what they're putting out the door.
Our core values at WesternValve are primarily service and quality. To me, I feel like that's one of our biggest things, is that they can call somebody and talk to somebody and get engineering, technical assistance 100% of the time.
So we work with a lot of customers on custom projects. We can do just about anything. To meet those specialized needs, we're willing to take on any specialized project to help them out. We're very proud to be manufactured in America, start to finish.
You're not only buying American, but you're buying from American people.
We got to have top-of-the-line quality and top-of-the-line pride going into it. I mean, we're holding tolerances of less than a human hair. We're not looking at just getting it out the door. We want it to get in the field, last, and be safe. The Danex is the best valve out there.